Hello and welcome to EasyDoco. EasyDoco is a great way to create how-to types of content. Stuff like help documentation for products you create, or for blog posts showing people a step-by-step way to accomplish a desired goal. To demonstrate, let's add a new project. Add the name, the location of the project file, a category, and a description. This area is where we build the structure of our manual. We can add different lessons for each activity that is needed to be done in a specific order. To create different lessons, we will start adding screenshots of each step needed for that lesson. Each screenshot will be added as a separate step. For each step, we can add a title and content that describes the step. We can now open the step image and add different types of shapes like arrows to show exactly where our customer needs to click. We continue the same process for each action that is needed to finish the desired task. Breaking things down into a step-by-step approach makes difficult jobs a lot easier. EasyDoco makes creating the necessary steps incredibly easy. Once we are done, we can save to a Word document, a PDF file, create a website, or upload it to a WordPress blog.